Hey guys, it's me, Scoo, and my sis. Today we're playing Super Smash. Okay, my sister's gonna be Black Mage. That's alright. I'm Sonic, fast as lightning. Kiki. Yeah. Goku. That's alright. You can beat Kiki. I'm cool. I'm gonna beat me. You know I beat Tucci. Okay, play. I'm Super Sonic. On the way, Super Smash, you can get to the jungle around and in this situation, I'm gonna vision winning without any situation. Okay, I can go. Go! It's an detonation. Go, go, go to the best, to the best, to the best. Be quiet. Be quiet. I am the person you should be do not blame. Yeah, that's right. Look at me. The best, do the best, do the best, maybe I told you. Got it. Wait, what did I tell you? I'm trying. I'm Super Sonic. Super Sonic. Super Sonic. I did it. Yeah. You guys will pay for that when I get back. I'm big, yo! Get down, mister. Do you know anything from your respectable parents? Why, I take nothing from my parents. Because you don't have it. Why do you say? I'll kill you. You think you're so smart. Get to them! You don't stand a chance against me. I'm Black Mage. But and I'm fixed. Get poisoned. No! Ha ha! Well, good thing. Super Ball You really think you're special. Then why did your parents leave you? I didn't help him. Oh yeah. Get down, ready to get funky. Yeah! Uppercut, baby. Hiya! No! Combo, y'all! Combo. Don't teach you listen. No, man. With Sonic. Oh, yeah. Okay. Dungeon Whipstein. Do not need to get healed. Dungeon Whipstein. Do not need to get teamed. Oh, God. Dungeon Whipstein. Do not need to get team takeover. Get down. No. Oh, now everyone is equal. Okay, I want to change. No contest. Yeah, no contest. How many people are there now? I'll be next. People are there. That's the me versus you. Okay. Just sell this in the twilight. Okay. Let's fight. Okay, computer. Are you balling? Hey, Josh. Hey, Josh. You asked about the email. Yeah, I gave it. And Purple Mash. And here I am. With my sis. Well, you're the only one since we go to school. Yeah. Oh my lord, how does TBR such a pro? So yeah, Josh. And I'll give you an extra heads up. So yeah. I like the same colors and thank you. No. No. Take that. Help, 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 help. Help, help, help. That's one. Help, help. Help, help, help. Take that. Get dude. Wait, mate, can I check out my moves, by the way? Because I didn't know my moves. No, let me see my moves! Let me see my moves, okay? Or you're off with dumb chicken.
Okay, chicken. We are here at the rooftop. Now, chicken. Play seconds. Play! Oh, chicken, they cursed this one. Play new. Come here! Chicken, come on, we must go at the top. You cannot do it till I come. Get off my ride! Chicken? Come on, chicken. Leave that person. Okay, chicken, we're here to... I can't believe this. Stay here, chicken. Chicken!
Meow. For chicken.
Yeah! No! You so down on my wall.
You're only 9 years old, Chibi. Take that. Don't teach you listen. Never mess with Ness, yeah. Never mess with Ness. Oh yeah, my dance, yeah. Oh yeah. You can play here. And I win. No! This is fun. No, you never want me. No, yeah, he's trying to save me. No! No! Guys, help! You guys are imbeciles. Yeah,
What you
yeah. We're gonna frickin' kill you.
No, we're not.
And I'm dead. Come here! Teach you a lesson.
Whoa. We have 16 seconds left, guys. I think this is the end of the program. I mean, the battle. Hope you had fun soon.
Subscribe!
Right there.
That's it!
Get down there.
Ow. Take that, dummy. Oh yeah! I won! Come on,
Wait, how? Because you played first.
Okay, shut up. No, this
I'm being Zelda.
I'm being pig.
I mean Zelda. Some of you, let me be Zelda.
No!
I'm Zelda.
Shut up. Pardon? We're recording.
Can we play after?
Yeah, after this we'll play. Ah! What did she do? Oh my goodness. No! No! Sorry guys. My sister also. Bye. See you later!